You can read it in and on my post as well, what I'm about to say and speak and say. You can read it fully, read it and entirely read it on and in my post, the post I want to post with this footage and images. There is 3 omphalos, Dactyls, Dactylus, Fastwalkers, Exogenous, Fastwalkers containers. First one is the Fraxinetum. The second is Frascella as well. The third is irlmaier. Irlmaier is the third, and it is an omphaloskepsis. It is an omphaloskepsis containers, shapes and forms, types and kinds, etc. and more, and omphaloskepsis. Okay, so irlmaier, Frascella, and Fraxinetum. There is the exogenous Fastwalkers containers of the omphalos. Okay, so also we can think about it that if birds, aerials, avians, locomotions, aerials, avians, birds and animals and lifeforms, the lifeforms could have the abilities and could speak and talk and speak and discuss. We can ask them, or they will tell us or write to us or tell us or speak to us that what they see on and in the skies above, the high skies above, what the animals, life forms such as birds, all types and kinds of birds, and area locomotions and avians, area locomotions. What do they see and encounter and witness there on and in the skies above? What they see and encounter and witness higher there up above in the skies. If they could, they would tell us and write to us, and they will tell us and write to us about it. And I'm sure there is a lot to it. And I'm sure there is a lot to it, much for them to say and write about what they see and witness and encounter and witness and see and sight. What do they have in their sight and sightings and encounters, and what do they see and witness, etc. and more. So, okay.